How do you fix the iPhone with incorrect location settings? So let me show you a couple of places where you can fix that. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. At first, I would go to the Settings app where part of the General section you can find the language and region, and it's not technically for the location settings, but you should choose the proper region for your phone because from that you will see some different apps perhaps show up and some different settings might be applied based on your region. It would make sense to choose it properly. Outside of that, I would go to the date and a time and choose the proper time zone or set it up automatically so you make sure that the time and a date are set up properly for your location. Again, another place as you can tell. Outside of that, when it comes to like downloading apps from the App Store, you can go to the App Store app, tap on your profile, and when you go there and go deeper, you'll be able to see that we can even change the region for the App Store applications, which is another place that should be set up according to your location. So you want to make sure that it's all set up properly, right? So that is for like these general applications and services. But generally for tracking the location, like the GPS location of the iPhone, go to the settings app of the device and find the privacy and security section. So there are location services at the top, make sure it's turned on so apps like weather or all of the random apps can access your location. And below you have the different apps. So perhaps if you find it that it doesn't work for the maps, make sure it is turned on right next to the Google Maps or next to the Apple Maps. And one thing that you can also turn on is the precise location if you have that available, because it is much more useful to have that enabled, for example, for maps and GPS navigation. So it doesn't only know your approximate location, but specifically where you are on the map. So it might help you to use the device better. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.